Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of minus 0.70 in banking, which is significantly lower than our historical baseline. This indicates a notable shift in public perception, especially given the recent momentum of plus 0.60 over the last 24 hours. The 17 semantic clusters reveal diverse areas of concern, likely driven by some recent events or announcements impacting the sector. With our API, you can access real-time sentiment data, allowing you to build models that respond to these fluctuations instantly. For example, imagine automating your risk assessment processes. By integrating our sentiment analysis, you can better predict potential downturns and adjust your strategies accordingly. To dive deeper, visit pulsebitlojenterprise.com/docs. Let's enhance your data-driven decisions with actionable insights.